In the event of an emergency, the drone is deployed from wherever it is located. As we move, we can see that one of the individuals trying to rob the house is beside the vehicle. So we move up in order to avoid his attention. We can also see there's another person beside the pillar. So we have to increase the altitude as high as possible without losing the house's location. As you can see, the person who is the lookout behind the pillar forces us to go up and then turn, so that we can see there are three individuals, two trying to break into the window while one is looking out. As the drone is silent, they are unable to hear or recognize its presence, so we can take photos of both people and the lookout and go back to base. At the base, there's usually just one person manning the station, instead of having numerous individuals surveilling the area. Outside of all houses, we can have a camera that is hidden from view, and inside we can have one or several hidden cameras at strategic locations, or we can also have one outside where we can see people moving within the road. We can also have sentry boats that navigate around regions.